Well, today we're installing the LinQ trail bag. This is the 11-liter version. This is for the Skidoo, and it goes on the narrow seat there. So first thing we're going to do is basically take out the screws in the back here, right on the battery cover. Then we're going to install this new LinQ bracket that's right here with new hardware. And then it'll attach into this spot right there. So give me a couple of seconds here and I'll get the bracket installed, and we'll get it installed and see what you think. Thanks. Okay, so I'm going to remove the screws here. And of course the new hardware that's come with it. Make sure you save the old hardware, because if you ever have to take this bracket off, you need to use the old hardware. Otherwise you'll puncture the battery. Installed. So this just clips in the front. And inside there's a little LinQ bracket here to lock it in place. And there we go. And you can use the strap to close up the lid. So just to give you an idea, this is a 1-liter Pepsi bottle there, so this fits in there. Then I've got a 18-ounce or 590 milliliter Yeti, and that also fits in there. And there's still room to fit a couple more things in there even. This also has the extended zipper, so you can put more things in there if need be, and extend the strap to be able to basically fill it to capacity there. And that's basically what this looks like. Here's an inside view. Here's where the switch is there to be able to unlock it and be able to lock it. And then you can see there's quite a bit of room inside there. That's kind of how it looks with the seat. So that should add a little bit of extra storage there. If anybody's been wondering what this looks like and how big it is, this is the 11-liter trail bag. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.